Hello class 3, how are you? Today I am going to teach you mathematics. This is your 10th chapter. Now we are going to teach you division. Okay, now open your page number 83. Now see here, in page number 83. Equal sharing and grouping are two situations which require division. If we want to do division, how to do division? We do division in equal sharing and grouping. Okay, what is the mean of equal sharing and grouping? Now let's discuss it. Equal sharing means situation in which we need to find out how much each portion contains when a given quantity is shared out in number of equal portion. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल इक्वल शेयरिंग हमें कैसे करनी है? अगर हमको इक्वल शेयरिंग करनी है तो अगर हमारे पास किसी चीज़ की क्वांटिटी है तो हम उसे हमें किसी को देना है इक्वली, तो उसे कैसे डिवाइड करेंगे? ठीक है, ये डिवीज़न के थ्रू हो पाएगा. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, हियर इज़ वन एग्ज़ाम्पल फॉर यू. नाउ रीड इट. आई हैव 12 chocolates with me and I want to distribute them equally among 4 of my friends. How many will each get? For example, if I have 12 chocolate, अगर मेरे पास 12 चॉकलेट है, अगर आपके पास 12 चॉकलेट है, एंड इफ़ यू हैव 4 फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपके 4 फ्रेंड्स हैं, आपको इक्वली इस 12 चॉकलेट को बांटना है, अपने फ्रेंड को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है. हाउ विल यू डू? यू हैव टू डू डिवीज़न फॉर इट. ओके. Now grouping, situation in which we need to find the number of portions of a given size which can be obtained from the given quantity. If we have some number of things we have to distribute in groups, how to do? We have to do division for it. For example, here one example for you. Just read it. I have 50 sweets. Here we have 50 sweets. यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या है? 50 sweets हैं, but we have 5 packets also. How we divide it? I want to pack them in small packets of each. If we have 50 sweets and we have to distribute it in 5 packets, how many packets are made? Okay, we have to do division for it. Ring the object below in equal sets. Write the answer in the place given. Look at here. Here are some brushes. In one group there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 brushes, and another circle there are 5 more brushes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here there are 2 groups. Okay, and 10 brushes are there. Now we have to divide 10 divided by 2 equals to 5. Okay, यहाँ पे हमने डिवाइड किया. यहाँ पे हमारे पास 10 ब्रशेस थे, उसको इक्वली हमको 2 ग्रुप में डिवाइड करना है. ठीक है, तो क्या करेंगे? 2 की टेबल को 5 टाइम्स हम करेंगे तो क्या आंसर आएगा? कितनी बार में आएगा? 5 टाइम्स में हमारा आंसर 10 आएगा. 2 5s are 10. ओके. नाउ टर्न योर पेज. सी हियर. Look at the number 1. Here are some rabbits, and rabbits are divided into 3 groups, and in each group there are 3 rabbits. And count all rabbits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 rabbits. 9 groups are 3, so divided by 3. When we read the table of 3, it will be 3 times, then our answer is 9. 9 3 3s are 9. The answer will be 9. जब हम इसको डिवाइड करेंगे, 3 को डिवाइड करेंगे, 3 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 3 टाइम्स, तो हमारा आंसर आएगा 9। ओके, तो यहाँ पे आंसर आपका 3 होगा। वन मोर एग्जाम्पल, वन मोर क्वेश्चन हम इसे सॉल्व करेंगे। लुक एट हियर, देयर आर 4 ग्रुप्स and each group there are 4 buffaloes. Count all buffaloes: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. There are total number of buffaloes are 16. Okay, and the group, 4 groups are there, so divided by 4. When we multiply 4 times, then our answer will be 16. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Here more questions for you. Do it in your book. Now see here page number 85. Division and repeated subtraction. 15 mangoes are to be divided among 3 boys. How many mangoes will each boy get? 15 mangoes अगर 3 boys को divide करेंगे तो each boy get how many mangoes? So we have to find how many times 3 can be subtracted from 15. कितनी बार 15 को 3 के साथ subtract किया गया है. Now see here, first round 15 minus 3, answer will be 12. Second round 12 minus 3, answer will be 9. Then we write 9 here. 9 minus 3, answer will be 6. And in fourth round 6 minus 3, answer will be 3. Then 3 minus 3 equals to 3. कितनी बार subtract किया गया? Now count it 5 times. 5 time में 15 गया. It means each boy get 5 mangoes. 3 can be subtracted from 15 5 times. Each boy will get 3 mangoes. Write 15 divided by 3 equals to 5. The answer will be 5. Each boy get 5 mangoes. Okay, हर बच्चे को के इसमें 5 mangoes आएंगे. Here 15 is called the dividend. यहाँ 15 डिविडेंड है. 3 इज कॉल्ड द डिवाइज़र, जिससे हम उस डिविडेंड को डिवाइड करें. दिस इज डिवाइज़र, 3 इज डिवाइज़र एंड 5 इज कॉल्ड क्वोशिएंट. ओके, जितना डिवाइड करने पे आया हमारा आंसर, दिस इज क्वोशिएंट. डिवीज़न एज इक्वल शेयरिंग. In the picture given below, 50 marbles are shared equally by 4 children in a game. 15 marbles, 20 marbles हैं यहाँ पे. 20 मार्बल मीन्स कंचे हैं जो कि 4 बच्चों में इक्वली डिवाइड किए गए हैं. ठीक है, तो कैसे करेंगे इसे डिवीज़न? देयर आर 20 marbles divided by how many children are there? 4. Then we read 4 tables. How many times? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. 5 times में हमारा आंसर आया है. It means each children get 5 marbles. Next, there are 12 toffees. These are given equally to 2 girls. Okay, 12 toffees हैं और equally divide करना है इन toffees को 2 girls में. Then we have to read 2 tables. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. 6 times जा रहा है 12 2 के टेबल में. दैट मीन्स ईच गर्ल गेट 6 chocolates. Now question number 3 and 3, do yourself. Now turn your page. साइन ऑफ डिवीज़न, डिवीज़न का साइन आप लोगों को पता है कैसे लगता है. दिस इज डिवीज़न साइन. एंड 20 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 इज रीड एज डिवाइडेड. इट इज़ read by divided. We call it divided when we read it. Similarly 20 divided by 4, what will our answer? What will be the answer? We have to read 4 tables. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. Okay. 20 divided by 4 is equals to 5. Now see here exercise. Study the example given below and write the division fact. There are 6 balloons. 2 children share them equally. Look at here, there are 6 balloons and two children are there. How many balloons does each child get? What will we do? We have to do division. 6 divided by 2. We have to read 2 tables. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 3 times. Okay, the answer will be each child get 3 balloons. Now see the next one. Number 1, there are 10 pencils and these are kept equally in 2 boxes. Look at here, there are 10 pencils and 2 boxes are there. How many pencils are there in each box? 10 divided by 2. Now read 2 tables. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Each box we kept 5 pencils in each box. There are 24 stickers. Equal number of stickers are put on 4 books. How many stickers are there on each book? Look at here, there are 24 stickers and 4 books. Now read table 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24. 6 times गया है 4 के टेबल में. That means each book has 6 stickers. Now question number 3 4 5, do yourself. This is very simple question. Do yourself. Do more and more practice of these sums. Division as a repeated subtraction. When we add 4 repeatedly 5 times, we get 20. अगर हम 4 को 5 times करेंगे repeat, तो हमारा what we get 20. Look at here, 4 4 4 4 4. The answer will be 20. Let us subtract 4 repeatedly from 20. Now this is examples. Now turn your page. Divide by repeated subtraction and write the question. Now see page number 88. Number 1, 27 divided by 9. This is repeated subtraction by divide. Okay. 27 minus 9, answer will be 18. This is first time. The answer 18 we have to write here. Then again we have to subtract with 9. The answer will be 9. 9 minus 9, answer will be 0. When we do 3 times subtract, the answer will be, the quotient will be 3 here. Now number 2, now see the number 2, 8 divided by 2. We have to do subtract here. 8 minus 2, the answer will be 6. 6 minus 2, the answer will be 4. 4 minus 2, answer will be 2, and 2 minus 2, answer will be 0. So look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4 times we have done subtract here. So we have to write here 4. 4 is our quotient. 3 and 4, do yourself. Division using a number array. Recall that to multiply 5 by 4, we can make 4 jumps of 5 steps forward starting from the initial position. Now see in your book. Recall to multiply 5 by 4. 5 by 4 we make 4 jumps. Look at here, we make 4 jumps here. When we do 4 jumps, the answer will be 20. 5 4s are 20. Now see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our first jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is second jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is third jump, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is fourth jump. So we have to multiply 4. 5 multiplied by 4, the answer will be 20. Now to divide 20 by 5, we start from 20 and make jumps of 5 steps backward. Now to divide 20 by 5, if we do divide 20 by 5, we have to jump, backward jump. Okay, 20 divided by 5, we have to read 5 tables. In how many times the 20 will come? Okay, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Okay, the answer will be 4. Similarly, we have, look at here, 16 divided by 4 equals to 4. Look at here, there are 16 lines and 4 jumps, 4 times. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. This is second jump. 1 2 3 4. This is third jump. 1 2 3 4 5. This is fourth jump. When we divide 16 divided by 4, the quotient will be 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Okay. Here are more examples for you. Now look at here. This is number 1. This is question number 1. 12 divided by 4 equals to, we have to read 4 tables. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. And third time, the answer will be 12. That means we have to jump 4 numbers in 3 times. Look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is first jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is second jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is third jump. Now do it. Question number 2. 24 divided by 3. We have to read 3 table. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. The answer will be 8 here. We have to do 8 jumps in 3 times. 1, 2, 3. This is first jump. 1, 2, 3. This is second. 1, 2, 3. This is fourth jump. 1, 2, 3. This is fifth jump. 1, 2, 3. This is sixth jump. 1, 2, 3. This is seventh, and this is eighth jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now next exercise. This is very simple exercise. Again, we have to read 2 tables. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. The quotient will be 8. 8 divided by 2. When we read 2 tables, 2's table, 2 fours are 8. The quotient will be 4. Number 2. 24 divided by 3. Now we read 3 table here. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24. The quotient will be 8 here. Number 3rd, 8 divided by 3. Now again we have to read 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18. In the 6th time, 18 will be go in table of 3. Look at here, do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Do yourself, do this exercise in your book. Now next question. Next exercise. Page number 93. Using multiplication table to do the following sums. Same here. We have to read table, then a quotient will come. 8 divided by 2. We have to read 2 tables. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Okay. Now next question. 14 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14. 7 times 14 will be go. And 2 divided by 18. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18. 9th time it will be go. 9 divided by 3. Here we have to read 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. The quotient will be 3 here. Here are more questions for you. Do yourself. Now turn your page. Write the division fact for. Number A is done for you. Now look at the number 1 question. 6 divided by 2. We have to read 2 table. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. Okay. Number 2. 30 divided by 3. 3 tens are 30. Okay. Now next 12 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. Do these exercise in your book. Now see next question B. Here we have to multiply. This is the multiplication facts. 5 multiplied by 3. 5 threes are 15. See next question. 10 multiplied by 5. 5 tens are 50. Next question. 6 multiplied by 3. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. Here are more exercises. Do yourself. Now see here, do you know when we divide a number by 1 we get the same number as the quotient. If we divide by number 1 we get same answer in quotient. Okay. When we number, for example, 2 ones are 2, 6 ones are 6, 7 ones are 7, 8 ones are 8. When a number is divided by itself, we get 1 as the quotient. If we divide, अगर हम सेम 1 से सेम नंबर को डिवाइड करते हैं तो क्वेश्चन में हमारा आंसर 1 आएगा. जस्ट एज व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई 0 एंड अ नंबर वी गेट इज 0. अगर हम 0 को किसी से भी डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर 0 ही आएगा. नाउ सी द पेज नंबर 95. Recite the table of 9 till you come to 81. 9 nines are 81. Okay. In 9 times 81 will come in 9th table. Now see here. Now use the table. You have to learn to do these division sums. If you want to do these kinds of sum, you have to learn table. Okay. Now see number 1. Thirty multiplied by 30 divided by 3. Now we have to read 3 table. In table 3. 30 will be come in 10 times. 10, 3 tens are 30. 70 divided by 7. In the table of 7, 70 will be come in 10 times. Okay, 7 tens are 70. 45 divided by 9. In 9th table, 45 will become in 5th time. Okay. You have to learn table. If you want to do this kind of sum, you have to learn tables. Now see here are more questions for you. Learn table and then do these sums. Now turn your page. Divide 2486 by 2 using long division method. Now see here, this is long division method. Arrange the number. First we have to arrange these numbers. Begin with the 1000 digits. This is the 1000 digit, and then 1000 divided by 2. 1000, write 1 in the 1000 place. Bring down the hundreds digit. 4 hundreds divided by 2. After that we have 200, write 2 in the hundreds place. Bring down the tens digit. 10 divided by 2 equals to 4 tens. Write 4 in the tens place. Bring down the units digit. 6 ones divided by 2 equals to 3 ones. Write in the ones place. Now see here, this is picture the long division method. How to do this long division method. Now see in this board. See here, solve by long division method. Number 1. The digit is 4324. How to write this 8324? First of all we have to, this is division symbol. 8324. This is dividend and this is divisor. 2 is our divisor. This is 1000. The place value of 8 is 1000. The place value of 3 is 100. The place value of 2 is tens, and this 4 is ones. Now we have to read the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. First we have to divide this 8 number, this 8 digit. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Then we have to subtract it. The answer will be 8 minus 8 equals to 0. Then we have to write this 100 digit number below the here. Okay. Then we have to read this table. 2 ones are 2. Then again we do subtract here. 3 minus 2, the answer will be 1. Then we have to write this 2 here. This tends 2. Now again we have to read this 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12. Then subtract it. The answer will be 0. Then we have to write this 4 here. 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 4. Okay. Then 0 again. Now the quotient will be, what is our quotient? The quotient will be 4162. Okay. This is the long method division. Now next quotient, the next digit is 3693. First of all, we have to arrange these numbers in thousands, hundred, tens, ones. $3,693 divided by 3. Okay, this 3 is in thousands place, and this 6 is hundred in place. This is in ones, tens in place. This 9 is tens in place, and this 3 is ones in place. First of all, we have to divide this 3. This 1003 we have to divide. 3 ones are 3. Then we have to subtract it. The answer will be 0. Then we have to write this 6 here. Then again we have to read the table of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Then again the answer will be 0. Then we have to write this 9 here. Then again read the table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Okay. Then subtract it. The answer will be 0. Then write this 3 here. And then read this table. 3 ones are 3. Then 0. The quotient is 1231. Now next is 5105. Arrange these numbers in thousand, hundred, and ones, tens. The digit is 5105. This is in thousands, and this is in hundred. This 0 is in tens, and this is in ones. The divisor is 5. Here we have to read table of 5. 5 ones are 5. Then we have to subtract. Answer will be 0. Then we have this 1. But first of all, we have to write this 1 here. But see here, this is smaller than this 5. Then we have to write this 0 here. And 5 twos are 10. Then subtract it. Write down this 5 here. Read this 5 tables. 5 ones are 5. The quotient will be 121. Okay. Now see here are some more questions for you. Do yourself. Do these sums in your notebook. Long division. If I have to share 10 lollipops among 5 students, if अगर मेरे पास 10 lollipops हैं and we have to distribute this 5 students, then how many will each get? Let us find out by repeated subtraction. 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. Then each get 5 lollipops. 5 to each student get 2 lollipops. Okay, there are 5 students and the number of lollipop is 10. Okay. Now see next exercise, long division without reminder. 1 is also done for you. Now see here, 3 The dividend is 36 and the divisor is 3. 3 ones are 3. Then we have to write the 6 here. 3 twos is 6. Okay, the remainder is 0. The answer will be 12. Now next question, see next question in board. Now see here, long division. Nine is divisor and 72 is dividend. Now see here how to do this long division. First of all, we have to see this tens number. Okay, this is smaller than this divisor 9, so we have to do both number. We have to divide this both number. पहले हम देखेंगे कि कैसे करना है हमको लॉन्ग डिवीज़न. सबसे पहले हम इस टेंस को देखेंगे. इफ़ अगर ये छोटा है इस 9 से, देन वी हैव टू डू बोथ नंबर्स. तो हम दोनों नंबर को डिवाइड करेंगे. ओके, हम सिंपल 9 का टेबल रीड करेंगे. 9 के टेबल में 72 कहाँ पर आता है? 8 पर. ओके, 9 8 72. The answer is 8 and remainder 0. Now see next, divisor is 8 and the dividend is 56. Now see here, 5 is smaller than this 8, then we have to divide both number. In the table of 8, 56, 8, when we divide this 56, it will become in 7 times. 8 sevens are 56. Okay, then 0. The answer is 7 and the remainder is 0 again. Now see next, 4 is divisor and 44 is dividend. Now see here, this 4 is equal of this divisor, so we have to divide this tens 4. 4 ones are 4, then subtract it 0, then we have to write here this 4. Again we 4 ones are 4. Okay. The answer is 11 and the remainder is 0. Next, 9 is divisor and 81 is dividend. When we read 9 table, the table of 9, it will be go in 9's time. 9 9s are 81. Then subtract it. 9 is our answer and remainder is 0. Look at here. Here are more questions for you. Do yourself. Now turn your page. Division of a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Look at here. This is 3 numbers of 3-digit numbers, and we have to divide this 3-digit number by this 1-digit number. How to do it? Now see here. One is also done for you. Now see number 1. Look at here. This is divisor is 2 and dividend is 644. Firstly, we have to take this 6 number. 6. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Then subtract it. The answer will be 0. Then we have to write this 4 here. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Then subtract it, 0. Then write this 4 here. 4, 2 twos are 4 again. Then subtract it. The answer is 322 and the remainder is 0. See next one. Number 2. 4 is divisor and the dividend is 480. 4 ones are 4. Then subtract it. Write down this 8 here. Then read this 4 table. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. It will be go in second times. Then subtract it. And write down the 0 here. Okay.